Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're trading the Qs. This is a simple video, brief video, explain to you how I trade the markets. So the markets that I'll be trading is called the Qs, ETFs. So what we have here is the 3 trend line, which is the red, white, and green. Here we have the Williams percent with a 3 period. And we have the slow RSI, which is a 6 period. So each of these are going to help me have a 100% win rate. So far, the market I've been trading for today, I've been up $290 for the day off of my paper trading. Obviously, because we are just testing out our strategies. So far, I've started out this strategy ever since Monday, and this strategy has given me over $1,300 starting from Monday all the way to Thursday, as today is April 30. I've traded the markets, have profit over $200, almost $300, and this is how we trade. So these trend lines are very reliable, accompanied with these buy and sell points, as well as the strength of the markets or directions, with the bullish section with the green and the bearish within the red. So every time the price gets extended past this red trend line here, obviously we'll be looking to buy a put option, and that's how I've made majority of the profits. Is every time it hits the resistance at this red trend line here, as the trend is down, we look for a down play or put options. So we bought here, we sold near the white line, we just scalped it. Every time it hit here, we scalped it for another profit, and it hit here and we scalped it for another profit around this level. Same thing as here. It's very reliable, 100% win rate. I know it's really hard to believe, but so far that's how I've made majority of my profits off of this strategy ever since Monday all the way to Thursday. No losers at all, just having this trend line with the red, white, and green. The trend is your friend, so you trade along the flow of it, and every time it pull back so it gets extended, you buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Same thing as if we are trading the market for it to go up, we look for these trend lines, which is going to be dictated by the price actions, and it will be turning upwards if the trend is upwards, and then we would be just trading every time it hits the green. We would buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So that's the way that I've been making profits, and that's how we're going to try to make this account into $1 million account. Obviously this is a paper trading account, so our account right now, we started off with 100,000. We're over $1,100 in 4 days, so we're going to try and turn this into $1 million account, and eventually play with our real money and turn our real account into $1 million as well. So that's how I've been trading this account. That's how I've been trading this strategy. So if you like this video, you learned something from it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification when you want to see more videos. Thanks again.